Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you how to reset your oil light on a 2013 F150. Guess that's the base model. Go ahead and turn the ignition on, and then that's gonna come up, and then that's gonna come up, and all that. Alright, so when it come up to that, now you want to go ahead and press the info key. When you press the info key, you press reset to clear all the message. All right, so now what you want to do is press setup, and you're gonna say reset for system check. Press setup again, and you're gonna go to oil life, and then you want to press reset right here on the steering. Press and hold it. Alright, let me start it over. So setup. Alright, press and hold the reset, and it goes to 100. Alright, so that's it. So if you take too long, it's gonna go back to the main menu, I should say, like show the miles and average mile per gallon. Alright, so these are the keys you use, and thank you guys to for your love and support. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Help me help you. I might be working on your car next. Alright.